Hello, my students. This is Lewis the Librarian with your quick tech tip of the day. Hello, my students. Have you ever had a situation where you have multiple windows open and you need to be able to switch back and forth very quickly? Well, let me go and demonstrate how you can do that with a nice keyboard shortcut known as Alt-Tab. All right, I'll demonstrate right now. I'm going to share my screen. Here we go. So here I have let me hit Control-Z so I can get all my text back. There we go. Here I have an Excel spreadsheet, but I also need to get to my Word document, and I also need to switch over back to the website that I was on. So if you keep your finger on the Alt tab, put your thumb there, that's the easiest way to do it, and then use your index finger to tap on the Tab button. So this will allow you to switch to the Word document. But if I keep my finger on Alt again and keep tapping on Tab, maybe I can get to the article that I'm reading. There you go. So Alt-Tab, Word document, Alt-Tab. And you can keep your finger on Alt and keep hitting Tab until you see the ring around the window that you want to view. So if I wanted to go back to the article, then you just let go. Again, Alt-Tab one more time. And then once I have the circle around the document that I want to view, I let go completely. And there we go. So I hope that's helpful to you, and please share it with anybody that you think might benefit from this, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. If you like what you see here, make sure to hit the subscribe button on my channel and check out my other links on my link tree featured in the description below or on the profile page of my social media accounts. See you soon.